So, hi,
Hello.
how are you doing?
Hi, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. So, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Kawaso Francis.
All right,
I'm the general manager for Campo Equipment,
all right.
Kenya Limited.
Okay. So, what do you deal with?
Well, Campo has a range of products
All right.
ranging from agricultural equipment,
Okay.
irrigation equipment,
All right.
power generation equipment,
Okay.
as well as construction equipment.
All right.
So basically, we are here at the Nakuru National Show,
Okay.
and we are very much excited to present our products
All right.
to all the show goers
Okay.
so that they can come and enjoy our exciting products.
All right.
For we are catering everyone,
Yeah.
be it small scale
Yeah.
up to commercial level.
Okay.
So where I'm seated on here,
Yeah.
this is a Lovol tractor.
Okay.
Lovol is a best brand,
Okay.
I would say.
Yeah.
It's a range. It's in ranges of from 25 horsepower
Okay.
up to 130 horsepower.
All right.
So if you look at the size ranges,
Okay.
25 also caters for our small scale farmers,
All right.
and it's quite affordable, durable.
Okay.
This product that you're seeing here
Yeah.
has an extended warranty. It's extra from. I mean, it's extended in the sense that the common tractors that we usually see or other suppliers are selling out there,
Yeah.
they are more of a 1 year warranty.
Yeah.
But this one goes up to 2 years. That's
2
an
years.
assurance.
Yeah.
Yes, 2 years. It's an assurance in terms of durability,
Yeah.
and also it's quite affordable.
Yeah.
And besides that, we made it possible that customers who can't afford
Yeah.
are able to access the financing asset loan.
Okay.
We've partnered with various financing institutions,
All right.
and our customers are able to access loans if they are falling short of resources.
So one doesn't have to pay the whole amount.
What it is the customer can raise up to 30% of the cost of the equipment.
Okay.
Then the other between 70 to 80%
Yeah.
is being financed with our cooperative partners.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So basically,
Yeah.
those are the few information.
Okay.
But besides that, we also provide backup service.
Yeah.
We sell spare parts. We provide after sales service. So what we are saying is not it's not like when we sell it to you, then we forget about you. No, that's when our relationship starts, because in the next 2 years you have
Yeah.
to rely on us, because
True.
we have to be there for you,
Yeah.
providing the service
Yeah.
and support.
Okay.
So within the 2 years that we give a warranty,
Yeah.
we provide free labor.
Yeah.
Anytime that you have a problem with the tractor,
Yeah. You come
which is
through.
very rare,
Yeah.
will be there for you.
Yeah.
Within 24 hours, we are able to visit you, we are able to rectify your problem.
Okay.
So we have offices here in Nakuru,
All right.
with our head office in Nairobi.
Okay.
So visit Camco here at the stand. We are actually giving a promotion discount,
Yeah.
10% on every purchase.
Yeah.
So enjoy this period with our promotional discount,
Yeah.
and also other exciting prizes that are going to be issued to would be interested
Yeah.
customer
Yeah.
here at the show grounds.
Yeah. So apart from the tractor, what else do you deal? Ama, you just deal with the tractors alone?
No, as I mentioned earlier on,
Yeah.
we cater for quite a range of products.
Yeah.
For instance, I talked of irrigation equipment. So
Oh, okay.
irrigation
The,
equipment,
the sprinkler, like the sprinkler.
yes, the sprinkler is just part of the
Yeah.
pump. I would say we have a pump set which comes with sprinklers, it comes with pipes.
Yeah.
It's a set.
Okay.
It's an irrigation pump set. Then we also have submersible pumps, for instance. Submersible pumps, depending on the bore recommendations, you can find those pumps with Campo. Where we sell our submersible pumps, they come as a complete set: cable, control box, motor, and the pump body.
Okay.
Then we have now water pumps.
Yeah.
Water pumps, they come in petrol as well as diesel. Ranging from 2-inch up to 4-inch.
Okay.
Then we have sewage pumps, we have centrifugal pumps,
Yeah.
we have multi-stage pumps. It's quite a range of products.
Okay.
Then I also talked of power generation.
Yeah.
In terms of power generation, we also have smaller domestic generators ranging from 2.2 kilowatts up to the biggest generator of 3,000 kVA.
Yeah.
So we are like covering everyone.
So how much does this particular one go for if I was to pay in cash?
Okay. So this tractor is a 60 horsepower.
Yeah.
And goes for 2.3 million shilling.
2.3.
Yeah, that's before we give you a 10% discount.
So you have a 10% discount.
Imagine how much you'll be saving if you're given a 10%.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Show them around. Just stand behind you. I can show you an interesting product. Just here beside you. It's an oil expeller.
Okay.
So oil expeller, we are encouraging entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Even value addition.
Yeah.
You are a farmer. You produce your sunflower, your soybeans. You need to add value. Look at now how much is bottle of cooking oil costing.
Yeah, true. It's very expensive.
You produce your sunflower and you buy this machine, you're able to press your cooking oil.
So you're able to produce your own oil?
Yes.
Wow.
Produce your own oil.
Yeah.
Then we have a filter there.
Yeah.
You extract, you filter it, you bottle it, you sell it at least at the market price.
Yeah, true.
And at least you benefit more, and unlike selling just the seeds itself.
Yeah.
Then we have peanut butter machine there, also in the line of processing equipment.
Okay.
This one is able to process peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah.
So how does it work?
It's electrical powered. This is an electric motor. Very simple, single phase. You just put it on your adapter there.
Yeah.
And once you switch it on, this is the bucket where you fill up your roasted peanut.
Okay.
You need to roast it before you put it in the machine. So this machine will crush the peanut and give you an output of 50 kgs an hour.
Yeah.
Then thereafter you package it nicely, take it to the market.
Okay.
By that you've added value to your produce.
True.
Then here is a sugarcane squeezer.
Okay.
It also squeezes the sugarcane.
Yeah. How many liters
juice.
of juice can it be able to produce per hour?
This one is rated in kgs.
Okay.
It's 200 to 300 kgs per hour.
Okay.
So it depends now with the quality of your cane. Because
True.
you can say this liters, maybe the quality is not good.
Yeah.
For us, we normally follow the kgs.
Okay.
Then the other machine here, this is a mincer.
A meat mincer?
Yes.
Okay.
So all these are adding value to the farm produce.
Yeah.
The next line there is this is the section for construction.
Okay.
Yeah, the poker vibrator goes into construction. Obviously, you understand. Poker vibrator is a plate compactor. Block making machine there in blue color. And that one in green, it's a stone crusher.
Stone brusher.
Yes. Brushing stones. You can produce your quali
Yeah.
or of different sizes.
Okay.
So it's a range of product like I had put it. And most interestingly, for our small scale farmers,
Okay.
I've got this machine here. It can be called a walking tractor.
Yeah.
Others calls it a hand tractor.
Okay.
This machine is powerful. It does amazing
What does it do?
jobs.
To be specific.
The way it is here,
Yeah.
it's coupled to this is a plough.
Okay.
It's powered by a diesel engine there in front.
Okay.
It's a 13 horsepower diesel engine. When you
Okay.
start it, you crank it, it starts running.
Yeah.
Then you engage your gears. This machine will be moving, plowing your land.
Yeah.
All you have to do is just follow it behind. The job is just to control the plowing depth.
Yeah.
It does the pulling and everything. You
Yeah.
only do the controls,
Okay.
speed,
Yeah.
braking,
Yeah.
clutch, one of those parts.
Okay.
Then it also comes with some other attachment.
Okay.
It's got a rotavator. So after you plow in, you can go in and attach a rotavator.
Yeah.
That rotavator will level up the field.
Yeah.
It's got also a planter with it.
Yeah.
After you do your leveling, you can also use the planter to plow in the field.
Okay.
So this is an improvement on the animal draft power.
Ah. Yeah.
People use the traditional way to plow their fields.
Yeah.
Now if you look at this, it's an improved version.
Yeah.
As we are talking of innovation
Yeah.
and technology,
Yeah.
it's an improvement on animal. Instead of using an animal,
Okay.
you use this
Okay.
machine. It's quite affordable, quite durable,
Yeah.
and reliable also.
Okay.
The other interesting part of the same machine,
Yeah.
if you just remove this, maybe 2 belts of it,
Yeah.
connect it to that blue pump there
Yeah.
with a pulley.
Yeah.
You are able to modify it here. The pump maybe in front there. You connect the belts. It's able to pump water.
Yeah.
This same engine, you can use it for pumping water. You can use it for
Really?
a hammer mill. You can use it for a maize sheller. You can use this same engine, the oil expeller, to extract the oil. So this is multi-purpose. When you buy this, it's off season.
Yeah.
You can still be using the engine to do quite a number of work at the farm.
Yeah.
So it looks simple, but
Yeah,
it's
it's-
quite handy and
Yeah.
quite more productive at the farming setup.
Okay.
So us as Campo in Nakuru, we are just located next to CMC.
CMC.
Yes, we are next there.
Yeah.
And you need to visit our sales team for more professional advice,
True. True.
because I can't manage to mention everything.
True.
It's quite a range.
Yeah.
of products.
It's wide. Huh?
Sure.
True. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. And how can they be able maybe to reach? Do you have social media handles?
Okay, in terms of reaching, they can contact me.
Yeah.
My phone number is 0795 477
Yeah.
115.
Okay.